In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save listing templates on eBay. If you're new to eBay or looking to manage your selling process more efficiently, using listing templates can be a real game changer. Let's dive right in and explore how to create, save, and reuse these templates to streamline your workflow. To get started, you first need to create a new listing on eBay. Begin by logging into your eBay account and navigating to the Sell tab at the top of the page. This tab is your gateway to managing your listings. Look for the option that allows you to create a new listing, which is usually prominently displayed once you're in the selling section. Click on that option to open up a new listing page. Now, this part is crucial since the content you put into this initial listing will form the basis of your template. Next, it's time to fill in the item details. This step is often where sellers invest the most effort, carefully crafting descriptions and ensuring accuracy in details. You'll want to fill out every relevant section, including item title, category, condition, and an engaging description that highlights the key features of your product. Make sure to add high-quality photographs that will attract potential buyers. Pricing, shipping details, and any return policies should also be specified here. The more comprehensive and detailed your listing is at this point, the more useful your template will be later on. Once you're satisfied with the details you've entered, it's time to save your work as a template. Look for the Save as Template option, which is usually located near the bottom of the listing page. Click this button, and you will be prompted to give your template a name. Choose something descriptive that will help you identify it quickly in the future. This action creates a reusable template that will save you time and effort whenever you want to list similar items. Finally, let's talk about reusing the template for future listings. Whenever you have a new item to sell that fits the criteria of your saved template, you can easily use this template to expedite the listing process. Go back to your Sell section, and instead of starting a listing from scratch, you can choose to create a new listing from the template. All your saved details will automatically populate the relevant fields, leaving you with just the task of tweaking any specific areas like item quantity or minor updates specific to the new listing. This not only saves you time, but also ensures consistency across your listings. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create, save, and reuse listing templates on eBay. A simple yet effective way to enhance your selling efficiency on this platform. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling.